The path to spiritual restoration. Welcome, dear friends. Today, we embark on a transformative journey, a journey of spiritual restoration. In this fast-paced world, our spirits often grow weary, burdened by challenges and distractions. But there's hope, healing, and renewal for every soul willing to seek it. Let us begin. Life has a way of draining us. Broken relationships, unfulfilled dreams, and even our own mistakes. We may feel disconnected, not just from others, but from our inner selves and our Creator. Recognizing this emptiness is the first step. It's okay to admit, I need healing. That's where restoration begins. Spiritual restoration is about reconnecting with the divine source of life, love, and purpose. It's about letting go of the past and embracing a future filled with hope. Like a tree watered after a drought, our spirits flourish when nourished by truth, love, and grace. Restoration is a process. Here are 3 steps to guide you. Take time to be still. Reflect on where you are spiritually and identify what feels broken. Journaling can help. Reconnect with the source. Spend time in prayer, meditation, or reading spiritual texts. Let divine wisdom speak to your heart. Embrace renewal. Forgive yourself and others. Release what holds you back and step into the newness of life with courage and faith. Restoration is a gift. As we heal, we find peace in the chaos, strength in weakness, and purpose in every step. We become vessels of light, ready to inspire and uplift others. Today is the day to begin your restoration journey. Take that first step, no matter how small, and trust that healing will come. You are loved, valued, and never alone. Thank you for joining me. May your spirit be renewed and your path be blessed.